Hey guys, just wanted to go over some testing I was doing with UJ using silver bullet hours. So yeah, this is December 18th to the 29th. Just a bunch of screenshots I got. This is going over every silver bullet hour. So 3 times a day for about a week. So this is starting out December 18th. And I got my indicator set up so it plots this fair value gap on the 1 minute using this indicator. These are the only two indicators I got going, so that's this one here, the top one. Then I'll show you the settings after at the end of the video. So yeah, pretty much the idea is to, if it gaps down, then you'd place a sell order in that area. So this one here is fail. I haven't studied the fails yet, but there's not many of them. So this one's a fail here, you can see. And then after the silver bullet hour is done, then it reverses. So I think part of the strategy is going to be to go for a buy after the session's over. So that's that one. Next session, gaps for a buy. So you place your buy there and you can have your stop loss maybe at the swing low or a nearby swing. Would have got you for a win. It's like a 1-to-1. Next session here, this would have been a win, even though I marked it as a fail. So yeah, that's another, actually that one would have been a fail actually. Yeah, that one's a fail unless you entered a little bit later. And then after, you can see it reverses after the session's over. Next slide, gaps up for 2.2R. And if you adjust your stop loss, you can get a better RR. Gaps up, and then the move happens quickly before the SB, silver bullet hours. And then it reverses, so there's two positions you can take. Gaps up, another win, reverses down. I think this is the same slide actually. This one here is showing a fail for the gap down, which actually is pretty much a win, a 1-1. I was just trying to get the runners. So here's the same move here. And then part of the strategy I was working with was to do the reverse order of buy in this case, using this same level here. And then your stop loss just kind of reversing around. You can see in the picture here for the win. Next slide, gapping down for 2.5R. Stop loss here. Looks like it kind of reverses at the same point there, eh? Gaps up for big win, 5.8 RR. Gaps down, depending how long you want to hold it for, there's an R15. Stop loss above the swing. Gaps up here on this one, 4.7 if you use the swing low. And then it reverses. So this one's a little bit of an anomaly. It's got kind of a really high stop loss, so you might not have taken this one. Another kind of reversal setup. Gaps up. Looks like a 2R. Then reverses. So that's kind of the theme, is after this first move happens, then it reverses. And here, gaps down. Stop loss above some recent swings. Gaps down. get a 1R out of this, and then it reverses. So you got two moves you can take after you realize that this is a failed move for continuation. Then you just go for the even right here. That's another strategy that has to be looked into. So yeah, after it fails, just go for the opposite move. And here, gaps down. So your stop loss. These tight setups here, you almost want to extend your stop loss a little bit farther so that you don't get stopped out here, or just re-enter. So depending how long you want to hold it for, there's some good RRs. Same setup here, zoomed in a bit. Gaps up, 3.3R, then the reversal. Stop loss at a swing, or even here. Different setup, but looks the same. Gap down. Stop loss above these swings. Gaps up. Stop loss area. 2.5R. Then the reversal. And yeah, this is the UJ chart, like I said, on the 1 minute. Same mentality here, gaps down, set your stop loss a little bit higher so you don't get stopped out if it's got this tight consolidation. There's your TP and the reversal. Definitely a recurring theme for sure. Gaps down, stop loss on a recent high. Gaps down, stop loss, TP down there. Gaps down. This one's a little bit different. It's there's kind of no area up here like on the other charts. It's kind of just got this steep incline, so you could put your stop loss a little bit tighter here to get those better RRs. Then the reversal. Good setup. Gaps up. TP before SB hour. Then the reversal. So yeah, the gap happens here. I think this candle doesn't have to close for this gap to get created. And then for an entry, you could enter up here, but you'd be pretty far from your stop loss, so you might want to wait until something closer here. Even that's pretty far too. But principle's the same. Here's the settings for that indicator and settings for that indicator. And that's it. So pretty interesting stuff for sure. Definitely. Yeah.